9 Acres RV here coming to you with a fresh arrival, and I am super excited. It is a 2024 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage. Folks, if you know anything about these cottages, you know this is absolutely the best of the best. All aluminum construction. The only one of its kind. Laminate exterior, power awning. This is a 25th anniversary, so this is fairly new for us, no doubt. For 2024, I see alloy wheels. That's a first for me. A storage compartment out back. This is plugged into a 50 amp power connection. We do have 2 roof mounted ACs. Wow, that's a nice car. We have 2 30-pound propane tanks that will be filled up. We will definitely be installing a battery there for you. Beautiful front fiberglass front cap. Now, normally you'd have a patio out front. Today, steps only at this time. Aluminum construction. Love it. All right, walking into the Cedar Creek. Take it all in, folks. Quality construction, quality materials. Folks, I guarantee you 2 things. You will not find a park model more expensive than this one. Will you find others for less? Different brands, of course, absolutely. But if you love quality and you don't mind paying just a little extra, look no further. Okay, daytime and nighttime shades throughout. Look at those beautiful wooden valances. Super tall slides. A cute little fireplace that does throw out some heat. A nice big TV. But check this out. Underneath here, hidden, there's a lock. Pull. Yep, absolutely. Look at the storage, folks. My goodness. Love it. Okay. How about check out these solid surface countertops. Love the fact that they use 2 different colors. Beautiful, beautiful backsplash. Paper towel holder. Farm style sink. Stainless steel, of course. Folks, check out this Furrion oven. 3-burner stove. This is no easy bake oven, folks. Microwave. Check out this fridge. This is bigger than the one at home. Ice maker. Oh my goodness, we've only been plugged in for about 20 minutes. That's already cold. I can feel it. Or solid surface. I definitely see a coffee maker right there. Even here, we got USB connections, power connections. This table does extend. Oh yeah, Thomas Paine theater seats. They are power operated. Great spot here for your remote controls. Yeah, that is a huge, huge bed that comes out. Okay. Control panel. Place to put your jackets. Your 2 AC controls. Your fantastic vent controls. Next up, check out this bathroom. Look how tall these ceilings are. Yeah, absolutely. That is a porcelain toilet, folks. Again, solid surface countertops throughout. Nice medicine cabinet. This is special. Anytime you see a travel trailer or park model using a one-piece fiberglass shower, that, to me, is a telltale tale for quality. They didn't cheap it out in the shower. They didn't cheap it out anywhere else. Forest River, Cedar Creek. Nothing cheap about them. King size bed. Opposing windows in that slide. Nice LED light down low. Flips up. Put your jewelry in there, your money. Another TV. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, huge closet, but guess what? You can put a washer dryer in this. You know what that means? You can live in this thing! Awesome. Take a look at this. That is absolutely huge. More room up there. Also very big. We got a router for your Wi-Fi. That'll boost your Wi-Fi signal within the park. Oh yeah, Cedar Creek, you're thinking of everything. Okay, place to put your phone, place to plug in your phone. Daytime and nighttime shades, even within these windows. My goodness. Absolutely beautiful. Don't take it from me, folks. Come on down, 80 Commerce Street. Give us a call, 506-388-5751. Talk to one of our friendly sales staff. Book your appointment today. Come on down and view for yourself. See you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751. Or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.